Welcome back to day 2 of How I Mastered Advanced English in Just 5 Days. In this entire 5-day challenge series, I'm going to share with you how you can master advanced English in just 5 days. In today's video also we are going to target 20 advanced English idioms. In case if you haven't watched day 1, after watching this video make sure to watch that too. The video is already live on my channel. You'll find the link in the description and I'll attach that in the end screen too. Without any further ado, let's quickly get started with our day 2 challenge, and here are your 20 idioms challenge for today. The ball is in court. That means it's up to you to take the decision. या decision लेना आपके हाथ में है. For example, I've done my part. Now the ball is in your court. Through thick and thin. That means to stay loyal even in someone's difficult times. यानी कि दुख में किसी का साथ निभाना. For example, they have been together through thick and thin. Under your nose. That means something right in front of you. आपकी नाक के नीचे ही कुछ होना. It was happening under my nose all the time. Wear your heart on your sleeve. That means to be open with your emotions. He wears his heart on his sleeves, which makes him easier to talk to. When pigs fly. Now, can you imagine pigs flying? Which is next to impossible. And the meaning is also this. Something which is not going to happen ever. So it's a funny yet dramatic way of saying no or never. That means kabhi nahi. For example, I'll go skydiving when pigs fly. Your guess is as good as mine. That means I don't know either. यानी कि मुझे भी नहीं पता. For example, if you ask me, why didn't she come? I would probably say, if I don't know the reason, well, your guess is as good as mine. A penny for your thoughts. That means to ask somebody what they are thinking. यानी कि किसी से कुछ पूछना कि वो actually सोच क्या रहे हैं. You seem quiet. What's on your mind? A penny for your thoughts? A picture is worth 1,000 words. That means visuals express more than just words. Pictures actually चीजों को काफी अच्छे से समझा देती हैं and काफी clear कर देती हैं, right? For example, this graph shows everything. Truly, a picture is worth 1,000 words. A washpot never boils. Now this is very interesting. That means it takes longer when you're waiting for them. And this is what we all can relate. Like YouTube channel, if हर वीडियो पे आप इतनी मेहनत करते हो and then you always wait to get your first video viral. But जितना आप वेट करते हो उतना ही वीडियो वायरल होने में टाइम लगता है and it hardly goes. Let's take this for instance as well. Don't keep watching your YouTube channel. Remember, washpot never boils. To cry over spilled milk. That means to regret something that cannot be undone. ऐसी किसी चीज के ऊपर रोना जिसको आप दोबारा से चेंज नहीं कर सकते. For example, we often regret our past mistakes, which is also very similar to crying over spilled milk. You cannot undo that. For instance, it's no use crying over spilled milk because the decision has already been made. Cut to the chase. That means get to the important point. That means मुद्दे पर आना. Don't try to avoid the main topic. Cut to the chase. Don't cry wolf. That means to raise a false alarm. अब आपने उस गलेरिये की कहानी तो जरूर सुनी होगी जो जानबूझकर एक false alarm create करता था, but eventually nobody trusted him. He cried wolf a lot of times and consequently no one listens now. To count your chickens before they hatch. That means to start assuming things that hasn't even happened. दिन में सपने देखना. That is what we call it in Hindi. तो ऐसी चीजों के बारे में सोचना जिसका अभी तक कोई अता पता नहीं है and उसके बारे में सोच कर खुश होना is actually of no use. But still if someone is doing that, you can simply say, don't count your chickens before they hatch. Wait for the confirmation. Give someone the cold shoulder. That means to ignore somebody. यानी कि किसी को अनदेखा करना. For example, in the party she gave me a cold shoulder. To have a blast. That means to have a great time. You can also use this one to wish someone who is going to have a great time. You can simply say, go and have a blast. And you can also use this in your own situations when you actually have a great time. Like, we had a blast at the concert last night. In the heat of the moment. That means, गर्मा गर्मी में. कई बार क्या होता है ना कि सिचुएशंस ऐसी हो जाती हैं जब आपकी किसी से बहस हो जाती है तो माहौल की गर्मा गर्मी में आप बहुत कुछ कह देते हो और उसके बाद आपको रिग्रेट होता है कि मैंने क्यों कहा. That means to get carried away with your emotions unknowingly. For example, I truly apologize for what I said. I said that in the heat of the moment. Jumping on the bandwagon. That means to follow that's already popular. यानी कि जब भी कोई एक ट्रेंड आता है, आपने देखा होगा कि सब लोग उस पर्टिकुलर ट्रेंड को फॉलो करने लगते हैं. So what do? They jump on the bandwagon. Everyone's jumping on the bandwagon and buying that new phone. To keep your fingers crossed. That means to hope for a good outcome. जो हम कहते हैं ना, I wish जो भी होगा अच्छा होगा, and we have this feeling before the result. Have a big interview tomorrow. Keep your fingers crossed for me. To let the chips fall where they may. That means to accept the consequences as they are. यानी कि situations जैसी भी हैं, उनको वैसे ही accept कर लेना. For instance, I'm going to speak my mind and let the chips fall where they may. To keep a long story short. To summarize a long story. That means कि किसी भी चीज को बिना लंबा खींचे थोड़े से में बताना, short में बताना. Making the long story short, I would say, I have got the job. So here you have your challenge for day 2. 20 idioms, you have to master it in 24 hours. Because next day, at the same time, tomorrow I'm gonna bring part 3 of it, जहाँ 20 more idioms आपके लिए मैं लेकर आऊंगी, and you have to master that as well. क्योंकि 5-day challenge हम कर रहे हैं to master advanced English. Who have watched the day 1, drop in the comment section how many idioms do you actually remember till now. Let's do a quick memorization test. And in case if you are watching this video for the first time and आपने part 1 नहीं देखा है, तो part 1 जाकर भी देख लीजिए and comment कर दीजिए challenge accepted. So many of you have already taken the challenge. So आप भी join कर लो. I'll meet you in the next part tomorrow right at 2 p.m. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel to watch part 3. Bye.